Today we're going to be taking this bamboo and planting it in the back garden so it can start to grow more, as currently it's very pot bound. I'm hoping that it's a running bamboo so it can spread into the area that I give it, as I'm going to be putting some bamboo barrier down and hopefully controlling where it goes to, but only time will tell on that one. So what I've done here is marked out an area with some old cable for where I want to put the bamboo. The cable is 8 meters and the bamboo barrier is 10 meters, which is why you see that gap in the middle. So for this area, I'm just going to get it knocked down quickly and then plant the bamboo here and then dig the trench around to place the barrier in. I've ordered the barrier and it'll come in a couple of days where I can get it installed. So for now, I'm just going to knock this down. Now that I've got this area cut down, I'll get the bamboo and I'll place it about here. I think that's where I want to get it in for now. So it's got plenty of room to expand in all directions. So now we're going to mark out on the ground where to dig in, and then I'm going to dig it in to about this high and then get it lowered in without the pot. Now that that's dug, I'll get it out of this pot into the ground and then use the rest of the topsoil, which I just dug out, to pad out the rest of it. And you can see there where it was begging to get out of this pot. It's even made little feet. Now with the bamboo in the ground, we'll start to get the trench dug all around it so we can put the barrier in to keep it inside. But we'll be doing that over the next couple of days until it arrives, so let's just hope it doesn't escape until then. I've now outlined all the way around the bamboo for where I'm going to be putting in the barrier. I need to get it around about this deep with about this much sticking over the top. Annoyingly, there's patches where I'm running into the previous owner's gravel path that they decided to just throw soil over the top and leave the path buried underneath. I'm hoping once I get through those bits, then I get into the underlaying layer where, from my previous experience, it's been nearly completely clay, which has been really easy to get through. It's just these gravel paths for now that are going to be a pain. But I'll leave that there for now and get back to it another day. Right, now that we got the trench dug all the way around the bamboo, that you can see there, we're going to get this unravelled and placed in there to see if we've dug to the right depth. I want about this much sticking up over the edge, whereas the rest of this will be buried. That should, in theory, give plenty of depth to stop the bamboo from spreading out into the rest of the garden. It's probably been about a month since my last bit because I've just been chipping away at this bit by bit, because digging with a shovel in this tiny little trench is no fun, and I did more interesting things with my time. But as the bamboo is now growing since putting it in, we're in a race against it since it slowly creeps out through the ground. But yeah, we'll get this in the trench now, and let me know in the comments, do you think that this should be able to keep this from spreading? Let's hope so. So after my first test fit, it needed some adjustment. But because it's such a pain, I decided to do it by hand. You can see how well that went. So hopefully this is the second and last test fit. God, I sure hope so. God, that one can't go on YouTube. I should mention, worst day to wear white. I don't normally wear white, and this is why. So for as messy as that turned out to be, we definitely got on this half. Most of that side was perfectly fine to start with. This is a tiny little bit too high, but I don't care. If the Bambi wants to get out underneath all that, good on you. I'm done. Right, now that we've got all that in, sorry I catch a breath. Right, now that we've got all that in, I'm going to get some of this backfilled to keep it in place, and then as I feel like it, I'll start filling it in some more. Before we end the video, I'm going to give you a little bit of an update now that a couple weeks have passed. So you can see here, I filled in all around the edge of the bamboo barrier on the inner side. I still have the outer side to do, but that can wait for another day. I'm not too fussed about that. I just wanted to get the inner bit finished. I've mainly packed it out with the original clay that was down below for the first 30 centimetres, and then I've thrown some topsoil on for the remaining 10 centimetres. There's a little bit of a dip on the side where it could have some more, but I think that will do for now. It's been boiling hot. I've been keeping this one watered, and we got some new shoots coming up that you can see there. And hopefully we'll get this one spread throughout the whole thing as long as it's running. If not, it will slowly expand over the following years. But either way, I'm happy with that. And if the Amazon listing is to be trusted, hopefully this can go 10 metres tall, so we can use it for garden stakes, random construction bits, or whatever. So yeah, that'll do it for today. That was just a quick update before we end the video. Oh, and I should mention that I have gone round and connected this part and then given it a little trim off. Right, now that I'm happy with the level on the bamboo barrier, I'm going to get it backfilled, and that'll be us done with the bamboo project. But if you want to see more stuff like this and other crazy stuff we get up to, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you got any comments on anything you've seen through the video, let me know them down below. I read them all, and I'll try to get back to you where I can. But until then, I'll see you next time. Right, now let's get on with this. After we've got that backfilled, that'll do the bamboo. Bamboo? Bamboo? Bamboo!